How to keep toads out of my yard. 18 different species of toads live in the United States. In many places in the country, gardeners actually try to attract toads in order to control pests, such as bugs, and to contribute to the biodiversity of the landscape. But if toads are becoming pests themselves, or if they are causing stress for your pets, then you may want to implement several different and safe control methods to deter toads from your yard or garden. Things you'll need: sheet metal cutters, shovel, plants, flowers. Install a sheet metal fence around your yard. You need to bury the fence 3 to 4 inches into the ground, and the fence should be approximately 10 inches high. Don't use materials with gaps such as mesh, as the toads can use the gaps to climb up and over the fence. Make sure to check the fence regularly. For example, if a branch falls on it, the toads could use it as a beam to climb up, over and into your yard. Remove all debris and trash from your yard, especially things like empty flower pots, old tires and railroad ties. Toads use these items for shelter, and without the shelter, they may not want to inhabit your yard. Landscape your yard with plants and flowers. Toads like to live in open spaces with bare lawns. Reduce the moisture in your yard. Toads need to drink regularly, and they also need to moisten themselves every few days. Therefore, if you have a lawn that has automatic sprinklers or standing water ponds, toads are more likely to inhabit your yard. Fence off standing water and reduce the use of sprinklers. Turn off outdoor lights at night. Toads feed on small bugs, such as moths, that are attracted to artificial nighttime lights. By turning these lights off at night, you may be able to reduce the food source.